Adding solid wood edging to shelves is a great way to make them stronger so they won't sag. And pocket hole joinery makes it super easy to do. Once you have your pieces cut, drill pocket holes in the underside of the shelf. You'll want a hole an inch or two from each end and about every 6 inches or so in between. Attach the edging by positioning it along the edge of the shelf and then driving in 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. We're using fine thread screws here since the edging is made from oak, a hardwood. Glue is optional as the screws provide plenty of strength. Once the pocket hole screws are in, you'll have a shelf that looks great and that won't sag over time.